Hello, this is Anubhav Sinhal, Director, Universal Tutorials. I'm here with a video message about UT's most popular board test series for 12 CBSE. Well, I want to tell you that UT is commencing its full pattern board mock tests from 27th November onwards. And we will be doing for all subjects 4 mock tests, one in November, one in December, one in January, and one in February. And like this, we'll be doing 4 mock tests. So my advice to all of you students, some of you have already experienced this product in 10th standard. Now you're coming to 12th and you're taking this product in 12th. People who are taking in 12th, my advice to you is that you must have experienced the product in 10th, but whoever has not experienced, that you may be busy in your JEE preparation. So what this test series at UT would do is, the way we prepare, we've ensured these 4 papers in such a way. I call boards as an exam of the known, meaning इसमें वही सवाल आते हैं बोर्ड में जो आपको मालूम होते हैं. मालूम कहाँ पे हैं ये सवाल? They are behind the NCERT textbook, or they have been asked in previous year board questions. So UT में the way we've prepared is, ये सारे टेस्ट ऐसे बनाए हैं कि अगर आपने 4 टेस्ट लिख लिए, ऑलमोस्ट सब तरह के सारे क्वेश्चंस आपने कर लिए. And when you will write the 12th board, it will so happen that out of suppose 30 questions, 26, 27 questions आपने कभी ना कभी UT के 4 टेस्ट में लिखे होंगे. So it's very important that you should write these tests, and all our centers are open physically. So ये आप physically centers पे जाके लिख सकते हैं. UT offers flexibility. We have certain specified days उस दिन, लेकिन अगर आप उस दिन नहीं आ सकते हैं, then you can write it as late attempt at your convenience. All UT centers are open 7 days a week. आप कभी भी जाके इनको लिख सकते हैं. But आप वहां लिखेंगे, we will then correct it and give it back to you. And every time you write, you get a model answer paper. Model answer paper is a beautiful concept. उसमें तभी समझ में आता, अच्छा यार ये सही हुआ, ये गलत हुआ. और आपके पास अगर ये दिक्कत है, अरे इतना सारा पोर्शन है, अभी मैं जेई की भी तैयारी कर रहा हूं या कुछ और कर रहा हूं, and you're not ready with the full syllabus, fair enough, but लिखो टेस्ट. That's what I would recommend. 4 या 5 चैप्टर्स की तैयारी हुई, ठीक है, उतनी तैयारी करके टेस्ट लिखो. We will not eat that entire cake in one go. Bit by bit खाएंगे. So in November you may get ready with 4 or 5 chapters, and then December next 4-5 chapters, January पूरे सारे chapters. ऐसे करके अगर अपन complete करेंगे तो अपनी पूरी तैयारी हो जाएगी. So this is my special recommendation. चलिए, all the best for the ongoing UT test series. Enjoy. Thank you.